A graduate student is considering investing $5,000 now when he is 25, or waiting until he is 40 to invest $5,000. How much more money will he have at the age of 65 if he invests now, given that he can earn 5% compounded daily? So they want to know how much more money will he have at the age of 65 if he invests now. So we have two scenarios, one where he invests at the age of 25 and one where he invests at the age of 40. But for both scenarios, we are starting out with $5,000 and trying to find what the future value is. What else is the same for both scenarios? The PYCY for both is 365 because it's compounded daily. Neither of them involve payments, and the interest rate is 5% for both. So it's really just the N that is different. So the time frame for the scenario where he invests at age 25, well, if we take 65 minus his current age of 25, we get 40. So N will be 40 times 365. And then in the second scenario, 65 minus 40, because he's starting to invest at the age of 40, this will be 25. So that is 25 times 365. So if you use the TVM solver, you should get $36,940.22 for the first scenario and $17,450.22 for the second scenario. So the question asks, how much more money will he have at the age of 65 if he invests now? So we need to take these two answers and subtract them. And we get $19,490.